This is Nongshim Big Bowl Tempura Udon Noodle Soup. It says 5 minutes and 30 seconds in the microwave. And also you can add hot water for 4 minutes. In the bowl, it got a soup base, and then the flakes are inside here. This is the soup base. So there is a line. This is the water line. The water needs to be right here. Alright, now I'm gonna to close the lid and wait it for about 4 minutes. It is 5 minutes already. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think that there are a lot of noodles inside, and the noodles feel like pretty soft. It's not actually udon, but it looks like. And I think this is the tempura. And they also got this, very interesting. I think I should put a little bit more water. I just put it right on the line. I put more next time. Actually, it's pretty good. I'm gonna try the noodle. I think this noodle is good. It's very soft and the texture is very smooth and a little bit spongy. And I'm gonna eat this. Very interesting. And the tempura. Alright, tempura adding another different flavor. I think there are a lot of things inside this bowl and it worth to try. Alright, I'm gonna to enjoy my noodle soup. Actually, it's udon. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.